Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 02, Buying Funnel. In this lesson, we will explore the buying funnel, also known as the sales funnel, and how it applies to pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Understanding the buying funnel can help optimize PPC campaigns to effectively target users at different stages of the purchasing process. 1. Awareness stage. Goal: attract the attention of potential customers and make them aware of your brand, product, or service. PPC strategy: use broad keywords and engaging ad copy to generate interest and drive traffic to your website. 2. Interest/consideration stage. Goal: build interest and credibility, helping potential customers understand the value of your offering. PPC strategy: use targeted keywords related to specific products or services, and provide compelling ad copy highlighting unique selling points. 3. Decision stage. Goal: encourage potential customers to make a purchase decision in your favor. PPC strategy: use transactional keywords e.g., buy now, order online, and include persuasive elements in ad copy e.g., discounts, limited time offers. 4. Action stage. Goal: convert potential customers into paying customers. PPC strategy: ensure a seamless transition from ad to landing page, with a clear call to action (CTA) and an easy way to complete the purchase. 5. Retention/advocacy stage. Goal: retain customers and encourage them to become advocates for your brand. PPC strategy: use remarketing campaigns to target existing customers with relevant offers, and encourage them to leave reviews or refer others. 6. Optimization and analysis. Goal: continuously optimize PPC campaigns based on performance data to improve results. PPC strategy: regularly review key metrics, e.g., click-through rate, conversion rate, return on ad spend, and make adjustments to keywords, ad copy, and targeting as needed. By aligning PPC campaigns with the stages of the buying funnel, marketers can create more targeted and effective campaigns that guide users through the purchasing process, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates and ROI.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.